Hermes Agent has bot mode and Kanban. At first, they can look like two ways to build a team of AI agents. But use the wrong one and you end up with a group chat that gets confusing or a task board you never needed. In the next 5 minutes, I will explain the difference, show you when to use each one, and then combine them in a small YouTube research workflow. We will answer three questions. What is bot mode actually for? What does Kanban add? And when does it make sense to use both? The example is simple. One agent finds AI news, several specialist bots research it, and we get one recommendation about what video to make. Bot mode is Hermes Desktop's roster of named bots. Each bot is a Hermes profile with its own soul, model, memory, and skills. So, I could have a research bot, an editing bot, and an operations bot. I can talk to them directly, give one a recurring routine, mention another bot to delegate certain tasks, or bring a few bots to a group chat. Kanban is for when the request becomes the project. Instead of keeping everything inside one bot chat, I can turn it into visible task. Each task has an owner. Independent tasks can run in parallel. A final task can wait until the research task is done. So, the bot mode gives me the team and the conversations. Kanban gives the team a clear way to manage a larger assignment. Use bot mode when you want persistent specialist bots, recurring routines, direct handoffs, @ mentions, or group discussions. Use Kanban when you need explicit tasks, named owners, parallel work, dependencies, review, or recovery. If I want one bot to summarize 3 documents, I would not create a Kanban board. If I want 4 specialists to research a topic and a final bot to wait for their findings, Kanban makes sense. If I want that workflow to happen every weekday, I will use both. Before we run it, here's a small team I created just for this demo. We have a new scout bot which finds the initial news. The orchestrator bot coordinates the workflow. The 4 specialist bots handle the research. Source checker checks for sources. Audience researcher checks viewers' interest. Competition researcher checks for what is already covered. Angle editor finds the video angle. The flow is simple. The news scout finds the initial news and sends it to the orchestrator agent. The orchestrator agent creates Kanban tasks for our specialist agents. Once the research is done, we receive a final recommendation in a document. So these are the bots that are created. I will create a cron job for our new scout bot. Let's go to terminal and I will use this command. In this cron job, I'm telling the new scout to find the latest AI agent news and send it to the orchestrator bot. Let's hit enter and create it. So now our cron job is created, but it will only run in the morning for every weekday. So let's trigger now to do a quick demo run. And under the cron job section, I will trigger our cron job. So now our new scout is finding the latest AI agent news, and once it has collected all the news, it will send it to orchestrator. As you can see, the news scout communicated with our orchestrator bot, and the orchestrator bot is working on creating Kanban tasks for each of our specialist agents. So let's head over to our Kanban board, and here you can see all the tasks are created for our specialist agents. These research tasks are running in parallel, and once all the research findings are done, there's a final task for synthesis. This is the final recommendation document we got. The recommendation is about covering Microsoft's Agent Lightning. It has mentioned about the viewers' question regarding this topic and why viewers care, the evidences that it has collected, suggest a demo that we can have in the video, the alternative angles that we can consider, and a few things regarding audience and competition that we have on this topic. Bot mode gives you persistent specialist bots and the conversations between them. Kanban gives those bots a clear way to manage bigger projects. Use bot mode for the team. Use Kanban for the work when the work needs structure. So that's all I have for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.